Hey everyone, welcome back to ITish Update. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful motivational stories that will remind you. No matter how many times life knocks you down, you should never, ever give up. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Because the story might just change the way you see your life. Part 1, The Beginning, a dreamer named Arjun. Once upon a time, in a small Indian village, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He was born in a poor family, his father worked as a daily laborer, and his mother stitched clothes to help the family survive. But Arjun had a big dream. He wanted to become an engineer and build something that could help his village. Maybe a water system, maybe a power source, something that could make life easier for everyone. His friends often laughed at him. They said, "You can't even afford school fees, and you are talking about becoming an engineer." But Arjun never argued. He just smiled and said one line, "One day, I'll make it happen." Part 2, The Struggle, Life's Harsh Reality. When Arjun reached class 10, his father fell ill and couldn't work anymore. Money stopped coming in. Arjun wanted to quit school to support his family. But his mother said something that changed everything. She said, "Arjun, if you stop studying, we'll survive a few days. But if you continue and succeed, we'll survive forever." That one sentence became his fuel. He started working at a tea stall early in the morning, went to school during the day, and studied under a street light at night. Sometimes he had no food, sometimes no books. But he always had hope. Part 3, The First Failure, When Dreams Shatter. Finally, after 2 years of struggle, Arjun appeared for his engineering entrance exam. He was confident. He believed his hard work would pay off. But when the results came, he failed. He didn't even score enough marks to qualify. That night, Arjun sat under the same street light, tears in his eyes, his dreams feeling like a joke. He thought about giving up. He even said to himself, "Maybe they were right. Maybe dreams aren't for people like me." But then, he remembered his mother's words. He wiped his tears and said, "I'll try one more time." Part 4, The Comeback, One More Try. The next year, Arjun started again. This time, he didn't just study harder. He studied smarter. He borrowed old books, watched free lectures, and practiced day and night. Whenever he felt tired, he used to look at his hands and say, "These hands may be small, but they can change my life." After months of effort, the exam day arrived again. Arjun gave his best shot. When the results came, he had not only passed, but ranked in the top 500 students in the entire state. He got admission into a government engineering college. And for the first time in years, he smiled with pride. Part 5, The Real Success, A Heart of Gold. In college, Arjun didn't forget his past. While others spent money on parties and clothes, he continued to live simply. He started teaching poor children in nearby slums for free. He believed that if education changed his life, it could change theirs too. Years later, Arjun completed his degree and became an engineer in a top company. He built water purifiers and solar panels for rural areas, fulfilling the dream he once saw as a poor boy in a small village. Part 6, The Lesson, Your Time Will Come. Friends, life is not about how many times you fail, but how many times you stand up again. Arjun's story is not just about success. It's about faith, patience, and persistence. You might be struggling today. You might be broke, lonely, or losing hope. But remember one thing, greater than every successful person was once a struggler like you. The only difference is, they didn't give up. So, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your journey is unique. Your time will come. Just keep walking, even if it's slow, even if it's hard. Because every step you take brings you closer to your dream. Part 7, Closing Message, for you. If you ever feel like quitting, close your eyes and remember Arjun. Remember that one more try can change everything. So, take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and say it with me. I will never give up. Because your story is still being written. And one day, the world will hear about you. Ending, soft background music fades. Thank you so much for watching this video. If the story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ITish Update for more motivational stories that touch your heart and ignite your spirit. And remember, never give up, your time will come.